Alright, let's see what this is. 82. Might be a piece of junk, but it took me a little bit to find it. So I can't. Might be a button though. Huh. Looking like a button. Hopefully you can see. I'm a bit tired of this phone. Of course, I guess it's my fault. It's acting the way it is. Being dumb. That is indeed a button. And I'm pretty sure it's a normal squished shank. So hopefully it was just a drilled hole, but it's not. Okay. Good item number 2. A heavy thick button. I will say this was daggone near an undiggable tone. Just sound like crap. Look at that little doohickey there. That's a sweet one right there. A nice piece. If I can get her cleaned up enough to see it. Hang on one second. I'm not going to dirt out of that. Alright, here we go. There she is. Look at that sweet little button. I'm liking that. First one of those I've gotten, I think. Isn't that something? Cool, man. Ta-da! Right. More holes to be dug. Here's a little weird one. 87, 88. Kind of odd. I guess it's a rivet. Not how one of them throw such a weird signal. I think there's something else in there junky, but that's 2 of these in a week. That's pretty cool. Rivet leather binder. 87, 88. I'm gonna check this, make sure. See if I can learn anything here. I thought I had me another piece of chicken house equipment. It looks like it's going to be something round. Might be a little button. It is, I think, or tack. It is a button. There it is. Let's get it right there. Look at that. Yep, little shank on there. Well, it was. Yep, tiny little button. That already got a really fat finger. Tiny button. Very cool if it's got something on there, but I doubt it does. But we'll see. Cool. Right, here was 88, 86. Looks to be a coin, doesn't it? She's in there good too. That's what's cool about them. Love when they're in there like that. Way out here in the middle of nowhere right now. Shouldn't have been too much. It's feeding time for the cows. It's Penny. Probably from hay baling days or something. She's a wheat. There ought to be some silver here, shouldn't it? That's what you would think. But I don't know. There it is. Another one. That's 2. Got my token 2 coins a day. So I guess that's it. Let's see what else we can find out. I'm going to pack it up. Started slip one in because tomorrow is hunting season. That's going to eat up my Saturday probably, unless I have a quick morning. We'll see. Hang in there. It looks like the 62 turned into maybe a little piece of fancy stuff. It's like some design on there. She's caked in there pretty good right now. Is that a hole? Might be a hole in there. Yeah, I see some lines on it and stuff. Okay, but can't spend much time. I'm about to get up out of here. I'll come back another day. Bring the Bobby or the Bruce or somebody. Yeah, I think it's gonna be something fancy, but maybe pewter. Come on, I'm in the right spot. Come out, hanging out with Brucey today at the Old American Legion, Princess Anne. Look at that. See if we can get it in the sun. Seems to be something right there. Could that be silver? Make sure it was in there. Nope. I don't know. That's going to be a penny, I think. Yep. It's going to be a old linky. Smooth feeling on the back, so it should be I just keep rubbing more mud on it so it doesn't matter. Opening day of deer season. taking a little break. I had a round ball from yesterday's hunt get stuck in my washing machine motor, so that was an emergency to come home. So let that be a lesson. Make sure you get your round balls out of your pocket. They will fit through the screen, some of them. Alright, so we'll hurry this back up. Keep on getting it further, not very far, but then look. It's that shine we see over here. It's your first shiny coin. What is it? Oh, it's just a dime. But I think it's going to be some silver. I ain't going to tell you how many times it's been metal detected. Millions. That's a 47. There's some silver. Let's put that in the pocket. I'm going to stop rubbing it too. Let's put it in here real quick. Because look, he's coming now. He's coming quick. Alright, just pulled a 64. I said it might be a nickel. I thought I seen it down here somewhere. So I put my pin pointer up. And you know, I lose everything that way. There it is. It's definitely a nickel. It's a buffalo. I told him that's 64. That's usually Indian head buffaloes. And there she is. Just like that. He says there's nothing here but it's Fisher. I don't believe it. But yeah, I've known this place has been detected for many, many years by all kinds of clubs. They just didn't find nothing. Alright, we're still here at the fair. Check it out. A little piece of silver with a little bit of chain on it still. Little bracelet piece, I'm sure. Doesn't seem to have anything on it that I could tell. No idea. Well, yeah, you can see a D or something around the end one. Looks like a fancy letter there. It's just wore down smooth. No, might just be dirt. Anyway, there he is. He's still at it with that Fisher. Coin strike, I think. Oh, she is. She's old. That's how you start, though. You gotta start somewhere. And that's a good start there. I mean, it was a top of the line detector. It still performs the way it used to. Might be gold or silver plated, I don't know. But that's, yeah, it's silver chain for sure. She ain't hurt a bit. Anyway, that's going to be in the right hand pocket. No, man, he's hunting on me. This looks familiar.